trustee, and our foundation is championing for the cause of elder psychological well-being.
Only two, right? Only two are sitting, right?
So you know, 1st October is marked by United Nations as the International Day of Older Persons. And our foundation, Peristar Foundation, is trying to bring awareness about the lack of social empathy, loneliness, all this that creates depression in senior citizens. And that is why we are not able to focus on the psychological well-being of the senior citizens. So we are having this program called the National Symposium of Elder Psychological Well-being in Bangalore International Center on 1st of October. You're aware of Padma Shri Dr. Syed Kirmani, world famous cricketer and wicketkeeper. He will be the chief guest, and Mrs. Gitanjali Kirloskar will also be the chief guest. Kirmani ji will be there in the morning itself, and Gitanjali ji will be there in the afternoon from lunch onwards. So there will be panel discussions, there will be other programs to sensitize everybody from the senior citizens, the retired senior citizens, the active senior citizens, to the professionals, to students. There will be students from the sociology and psychology departments of various institutions. A lot of students from different colleges have enrolled and signed up. So they will be coming on board to understand how can we take care of our elderly, emotional care, psychological well-being, how can we find out solutions to take care of them. So please come on that day and be a part of all the discussions that day, because we need to really understand that this particular aspect of senior citizens care is missing. We talk about financial aspect, we talk about all the material resources like roti, kapra, makan. I mean, that's not enough.